Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see Flash tools. From here you can create Flash. You can select ActionScript 3 or 2. Okay, so this is the area. These are the tools. This is property and for this is library. Okay, this is timeline, layers. This is all our frames. This is output. This is compile errors screen, and this is motion editor screen. Okay, and this is menu bar. This is main stage area. If you don't want anything from here, this all panels, you don't want any panel, go to window and hide panel. Okay, so now you can work only with your area. Window, show panels. Okay, let's see some tools first. This is selection tool. This is sub selection tool, free transform tool, 3D rotation tool, lasso tool, pen tool, text tool, line tool, rectangle tool. Here in rectangle tool you can choose oval tool and polystar tool and anything. Okay, pencil tool, brush tool, deco tool, bond tool and paint bucket tool to fill the color, and eyedropper tool, eraser tool, hand tool, zoom tool. Okay, and from here you can select colors. This is for fill color and this is for stroke color. Okay, you can select here. Okay, from here you can select also colors. This is for alignment, information, and this is for transform. Okay, you can skew the rectangle and rotate anything. Okay, this is some templates and animations already here. Okay, these are the components. You can directly select and paste here like this. Okay, and then use it, motion presets and many things. Okay, selection tool, click and cut, click and cut. Okay,